Hi, this is Keith at Fields BMW of Daytona Beach. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a tip when you're using your iDrive here. I'm sitting in a 2015 BMW 650, but this will apply to any of our BMWs with the iDrive settings like this one. In particular, you have your buttons on your iDrive, your media, radio, telephone, navigation, your main menu in the center. And then if you look up on your iDrive here, you can scroll to select any of those four options. But one of the things I just wanted to show you a little bit of a shortcut so that when you're driving you don't have to really take too much time away from the road, is that each one of these keys, if you press them twice, they'll actually do something a little bit different. So what I'll do is I'll start with media. So when I press media on the screen here, you'll see it goes back to where I was last, which was external devices. Now if I press media one more time, it brings me to the entire multimedia list. So what that'll do for you is, it's kind of a shortcut, like if I want to use the radio, if I hit radio, it goes back to FM because that's where I was last. But say I want to change to satellite radio, pressing radio one more time brings me to the entire list of radio options. So it's just kind of a little bit of a shortcut when you're trying to navigate the iDrive. Just press the button a second time and it'll usually get you to the larger menu. So if I press telephone, it goes back to the Bluetooth menu. If I press it a second time, it gives me the whole telephone menu. And then lastly is navigation. So if I press it once, it brings me back to the map. If I press it a second time, it'll actually get me to where I can enter an address. So just try pressing the button twice to get you into the deeper menu of your iDrive. It's just a little bit of a shortcut, and it'll help you, pay a little bit more attention to the road when you're driving. All right, if you have any questions, give us a call here at Fields. Ask for one of the geniuses. We can help you out. Have a great day. Thank you.